Welcome to a brand new experience at Jeda.ai, where innovation meets design. Get ready to explore our refreshed user interface with exciting new features designed to enhance your productivity and visual interaction. Dive into our new Cool Dark mode, designed to minimize eye strain and make your extended sessions more comfortable. Switching modes is effortless. Click the moon button at the top left of the side panel to shift to light mode. Hit the reverse moon to switch back to dark mode. Intuitive, right? Navigate effortlessly with our new toggleable left side panel. Quickly switch workspaces with thumbnails that preview on hover, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. Manage your workspaces efficiently with the three-dot menu for more options. All are designed to enhance your dashboard and workspace management interactions. The AI prompt bar now expands by default, putting powerful prompting capabilities right at your fingertips from the start. What do you think about our modernized new look everywhere? Generating content is fun with multimodal visual AI, don't you think? These updates are just the tip of the iceberg. Sign up for free today and start exploring these new features to transform how you work and create. Don't lag behind.